In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to spend money in Xero step by step. Whether you're reconciling transactions from your bank feed or manually recording a payment, I'll walk you through both methods so you can confidently track your expenses the right way. If you're new to Xero or just want to make sure you're doing this correctly, this guide is for you. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Let's get started. To spend money in Xero, you typically have two options. The first method is reconciling an expense directly from your bank feed. The second method is manually creating a spend money transaction. The method you use depends on whether the payment has already appeared in your bank account or if you're recording it in advance, like a cash payment or check. Let's start with the first method, which is using the bank feed reconciliation feature. From your Xero dashboard, click on Accounting, then select Bank Accounts. You'll see a list of your connected bank accounts. Find the account you want to work with and click the Reconcile button where it shows the number of items waiting to be reconciled. Now, locate the bank statement line that matches the expense you want to record. In the middle column, click on the Create tab. This allows you to create a new transaction that matches the bank statement line. In the Who field, enter the name of the payee. This could be a supplier, vendor, or service provider. If the payee doesn't exist yet, you can simply type the name and Xero will create a new contact for you. Next is the What field. This is where you select the correct expense account. For example, you might choose office expenses, rent, utilities, or another relevant account from your chart of accounts. Choosing the correct account is important because it ensures your financial reports are accurate. Then, in the Why field, enter a clear description of the expense. This helps you and your accountant understand what the transaction was for when reviewing reports later. Once everything looks correct, click OK to reconcile the transaction. That's it. The expense is now recorded and matched with your bank statement line, keeping your books up to date. Now let's look at the second method, which is recording a spend money transaction manually. This is useful if you paid with cash, wrote a check, or need to record the expense before it appears in your bank feed. To do this, click on Business, then select Bank Accounts. Find the account you paid from and click Manage Account. From the drop-down menu, select Spend Money. You'll now see the Spend Money transaction screen. First, choose the payee. Again, you can select an existing contact or type a new one. Next, enter the date of the transaction and the amount you paid. Make sure these details match your actual payment records. Then assign the correct account for the expense, such as rent, marketing, office supplies, or any other relevant category. If needed, you can also add a description to provide more detail about the transaction. After reviewing all the information for accuracy, click Save. The transaction is now recorded in Xero and will either match with your bank feed later or remain recorded if it was a cash payment. And that's how you spend money in Xero, using both the bank reconciliation method and the manual spend money option. Using the correct method ensures your expenses are categorized properly and your financial reports stay accurate and organized. If this video helped you understand how to record expenses in Xero, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Xero tutorials in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.